Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into a quick guide on how to comment on tasks in UPBASE, the 2025 edition. First things first, open your UPBASE application. This is where all your tasks and projects live. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where we can manage and communicate about tasks. Next up, navigate to the task you want to comment on. This could be a task assigned to you or one that you're just monitoring. This step is crucial because it helps you specifically target the task that needs your input or feedback. Once you've located your task, you'll find a comment box right under the task details. Click on it. This helps us because it's where we input our thoughts, ideas, or responses about the task. Now that we've done that, type your comment in the comment box. Be clear and concise. Make sure your comment adds value to the task. This step is significant because it allows you to communicate directly with your team about the task, asking questions, providing updates, or just giving some encouraging words. After you've typed your comment, hit the post button. This will make your comment visible to everyone involved in the task. The reason we do this is to keep everyone on the same page and facilitate effective collaboration. And there you have it. You've successfully commented on a task in UPBASE. Let me explain why this matters. By commenting on tasks, you're actively participating in your team's workflow, improving communication, and ultimately driving the project towards success. Now that you know how to comment on tasks in UPBASE, I encourage you to get involved in your team's conversations. Remember, great teams are built on great communication. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those projects moving forward.